Hello all of you, welcome to our channel. We are learning AI tools in Excel with additional picks in Excel. So let's go for today's add-in. We will open Microsoft Excel. I have zoomed it for you. In the home tab, we have add-ins. So in add-ins, you can go for more add-ins. How about guys, if YouTube video is played in your Excel? This sounds very interesting, isn't it? Excel, so far we have seen that it is related to data analytics, entering data, analyzing data, formulating data, etc. But how about your YouTube video is presented in this Excel? Yes, guys, it is possible. Let's open the add-ins and you can go to education section here. Here you will find web video player. So click add, then agree to the terms and conditions, click continue. Wait for some time for this add-in to be added. So see, this is added in our Excel. Now it says that paste the URL of the video from YouTube or Vimeo below. So let's go for YouTube. Suppose we take our channel and we take this trending video, which is ChatGPT in Excel, or we will take this video, symbols and characters. So from here you can share, you can copy the link of this video, go to Excel and paste it. So you can also write autoplay, you can click on autoplay, or you can start at the timing and end at particular time, whichever you require. And now see, if I click set video, let's see what happens. Here it is. It has started, or it just says play. So I can adjust the size of this particular video like this. See, where I require in Excel, I can just add it and it will just give me, suppose, yes. So I have done the basic. In this particular screen only I require to view the video, so it is like this. Now let's play it. Let's see whether this video plays or no. Guys, welcome to our channel. See, it is playing, guys. If you take forward, it is showing it, isn't it? So in this way you can also write the text here for this video related, or you can write the lyrics related to this video, you can write voiceover related to this video, etc. So in this way you can use the web video player function in Excel. Thank you all of you.